Good morning, children. Do you know that yesterday a first batch of Indian athletes had started their journey towards Tokyo for participating in 2020 Olympics? Did you watch today a written advertisement in television about Bhavani Devi? So today we are going to talk about Bhavani Devi. She was the fifth child of her parents and lived in Chennai. She was always into sports and wanted to pursue a career in the same, but was never sure what sports to pursue. Fencing came accidentally to the MBA graduate as her school had no openings for other sports. She started participating with bamboo sticks as the fencing swords were expensive. Her mother was even forced to pawn her jewelry to keep funding her fencing career. Devi's first major triumph was earned in 2014 Asian Fencing Championship, where she struck silver medal. She has also won laurels in the Commonwealth and Asian Championships. She is the first ever Indian fencer to have qualified for the Olympic Games with her Tokyo Olympics 2020 qualification. Session with the ascending and descending order. By seeing the question only, you have to tell me, children, what we have to do next. So these are unlike fractions. So in ascending and descending means the comparing the fractions. How to compare when it is a like fraction? So here these fractions are unlike fractions. So first step is we have to convert into like fractions with same denominators. That is by the method of LCM. In last class we learnt about comparing the fractions. That is by one crisscross method, LCM method. So in the same way we are going to convert unlike fraction into like fractions. How? By LCM method. So first take the denominators. While considering the LCM, you have to consider only the denominators because we are making into same denominator. So consider the denominators. What are they? 2, 6, 4, 8. You can see, children, all are the multiples of 2. So divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now you can see all are different multiples. So you can consider first 3. So 1 remains the same. 3 1s are 3. 2 doesn't come in 3 table. So take it same as it is. 4 also doesn't come in 3 table because it is not divisible. Now next 2 and 4 are the multiples of 2. So 1 remains the same. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Next 2. 1 remains the same. 2 1s are 2. So now 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Then what is the LCM of denominators? 2, 6, 4, 8 is 24. So LCM of 2, 6, 4, 8 is 24. Now consider the first fraction, children, 5 by 2. So I have to make the denominator 24. Then 2 multiplied by 12 gives you 24. So multiply the numerator and denominator 12. 2 how many is 12? 24. Then multiply the numerator. 5 12s are 60. Next consider the second fraction 1 by 6. 6 how many is 24, children? 4s are. So multiply numerator and denominator by 4. 4 1s are 4. 6 4s are 24. Here you can see, children, the denominators are same. In the same way, consider the third fraction 3 by 4. So 4 how many is 24, children? 4 6 are 24. So multiply numerator and denominator by 6. Now multiply the numerator. 3 6 are 18. 4 6 are 24. Next comes the fourth fraction 3 by 8. 8 how many is 24? 8 3s are 24. So multiply numerator and denominator by 3. 3 3s are 9. 8 3s are 24. Next, now you can see children, all these fractions, unlike fractions, are converted into like fractions with the denominator 24 as the LCM. Now you can arrange. As denominators are same, compare the numerator. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. So which is smaller here? See the numerator children, which is smaller? 4. So start with 4 by 24 is less than, next is 9 by 24, which is less than 18 by 24, which is less than 60 by 24. You can see smaller number to bigger number is called ascending order, and these numerators are same. So like fractions. When you can compare, the condition is when it is a like fraction. Only you can compare when it is a like fraction. Next, so which means 4 by 24. The actual fraction of 4 by 24 is 1 by 6, which is less than. Next, 9 by 24. The actual fraction of 9 by 24 is 3 by 8, which is less than 18 by 24. What is the actual fraction of 18 by 24 is 3 by 4, which is less than 60 by 24. The actual fraction of 60 by 24 is 5 by 2. Or you can write it in ascending order, that is 1 by 6, comma 3 by 8, comma 3 by 4, comma 5 by 2. So you can stop here or you can stop here, no problem. Both are correct. See children, we have started from unlike fraction. We have converted into like fraction by taking the LCM. Then we made the given fraction into like fractions. Then we compared. How many steps are there, see children? So when you practice by your own, you don't do any mistake from these steps. If you do mistake in this LCM or in this multiplication, the whole sums goes wrong. So practice well in the home. Once, thrice, you practice. Practice makes man perfect. So you have to practice Marxism, particularly mathematics. Now second one is, the question is in form of mixed number. Children, first convert the mixed number into improper fraction. Already we learnt in the first session how to convert the mixed number. So first what you have to do is, first multiply, then add. So 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Next, this is the improper fraction. So 11 by 6. Next, mixed number. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17 by 5, comma 7 by 3. These are very important in comparing the fractions. So learn perfectly. And now these are unlike fractions. For comparison, what you have to do? First you have to convert into like fraction. So what we will do? LCM of denominators, that is 2, 6, 5, 3. Many children will take numerators, but don't do the mistake. When we compare, we have to convert into like fractions by taking the denominators. So we will apply division method, that is 2, 6, 5, 3. All are multiples of different numbers. So first we consider with 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 how many are 6? 2 3s are 6. 5 doesn't come in 2 tables, so 5 remains the same. 3 doesn't come in 2 table, 3 remains the same. Now we have 3 numbers. 3 numbers of 3 multiples and 5 multiples. So you can consider 3 first. 1 remains the same. 3 ones are 3. 5 doesn't come in 3 tables, so 5 remains the same. 3 ones are 3. Now 5. 1 remains the same. 5 ones are 5. 1. Now 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. So what is the LCM? 30. So next, consider the first fraction 3 by 2. Now 3 by 2 multiplied by what you have to multiply, so that 2 multiplied by the number gives you 30 as the LCM. So what is that? 2 how many are 30? 2 15s are 30. So multiply numerator and denominator with same number, not with a different number, children. So 3 15s are 45, or 15 3s are 45, 15 2s are 30. Now you can see LCM is 30 and the denominator is also 30. Now consider the second fraction 11 by 6. 11 by 6. 6 how many are 30? 6 5s are 30. So multiply numerator and denominator by 30. 11 5s are 55, 6 5s are 30. Next consider the third fraction 17 by 5. So 5 how many are 30? 5 6 are. So multiply numerator and denominator by 6. So here 17 6 are 102 by 30. 6 7s are 42, 6 1s are 6 plus 4 gives you 102. 12 7 by 3. That is 7 by 3 means 7 by 3 multiplied by 3. How many are 30? 10s are. So 7 10s are 70, 3 10s are 30. Now you have seen, children, that how the unlike fraction is converted into like fractions having the denominator same, that is 30. Now you can compare that. Now we arrange these fractions in ascending order. That is, ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. So which is the smaller numerator? See children, 45. So 45 by 30 is less than 55 by 30, which is less than 70 by 30, which is less than 102 by 30. So here you can see same denominator, like fractions, and compare the numerators 45, 55, 70, 102. Okay, which means the actual fractions you have to write. So what is the actual fraction of 45 by 30? That is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is less than 55 by 30. The actual fraction is 11 by 6, which is less than 70 by 30's actual fraction is 7 by 3, which is less than 102, that is 17 by 5. Or you can write this actual fraction also, because this was given in the mixed form, no? So here we can write 3 by 2 can be written as 1 of 1 by 2, which is less than 11 by 6, which is less than 7 by 3, which is less than 17 by 5. Actually, it was in the mixed fraction of 3 of 2 by 5. So you can stop here also, no problem. It is also correct. Now let us arrange the following in the same way in descending order. Descending order means bigger number to smaller number. So first consider the denominators 10, 15, 6, 30. So now take the LCM method of denominators 10, 15, 6, 30. Now you can see that all are different multiples. So first we consider with 2. 2 5s are 10, 15 doesn't come in 2 table, so 15 remains the same. 2 3s are 6, 2 15s are 30. If you do mistake in this step also, all the steps goes wrong, children. So be careful. Slowly you learn to do and practice. Now next, all are the, not all, 3, maximum 3 are the multiples of 5. So start with 5, 5 1s are, 5 3s are, 3 doesn't come in 5 tables, so 3 remains the same, 5 3s are 15. Now see children, all are the multiples of 3 table. So 1 remains the same, 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 1s are. Now all are 1. Now 2 5s are 10, 10 threes are 30. So what is the LCM? 30. Next, consider the first fraction, children, 3 by 10. So we have to make denominator 30. So 10 multiplied by 3 becomes 30. So multiply numerator and denominator by 3. 3 threes are 9. 10 threes are 30. Next one is 7 by 15. So 15 multiplied by 2 becomes 30. So multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 7 twos are 14. 15 twos are 30. 5 by 6. 6 how many are 30? 6 5s are 30. Multiply numerator and denominator by 5. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 1 by 30. So 30 how many are 30? 30 ones are 30. So 1 ones are 1. 30 ones are 30. Now let us arrange these fraction in descending order. Descending order means bigger number to smaller number. So these now it is converted into light fractions. So take the bigger number. As denominators are same, compare the numerators, which is bigger, 25 by 30. So 25 by 30 is greater than, because starting with the greatest to smallest. So greater than. Next 14 by 30. Next 9 by 30, which is greater than 1 by 30. But this is not the actual fraction. What are the actual fraction of this? 25 by 30 is 5 by 6 is greater than 14 by 30 becomes 7 by 15, which is greater than 9 by 30 is 3 by 10, which is greater than 1 by 30. Now, or you can write with commas also. 5 by 6, comma, 17 by 15, comma, 3 by 10, comma, 1 by 30. See children, how many steps are there? Don't worry about the step. If you practice, you can do it very faster than me. Next sum is in the mixed form. First, if you see the mixed number, you have to convert into improper. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 5 becomes 17 by 6. Next 7 by 18. Next 4 fours are 16 plus 1 17 by 4. 10 by 9. Now let us take LCM of the denominators. If you want, you can write the LCM of denominators. That is 6, 18, 4, 9 is. So by LCM method, that is 6, 18, 4, 9. All are multiples of, not all, but maximum 3 are multiples of 2. So first we start with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. 9 doesn't come in 2 tables, so 9 remains the same. Now you can take 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 2 doesn't come in 3 tables, so 2 remains the same. Again 3 3s are 9. Now we can take 3 1. 3 1s are 3. 2 doesn't come in 2 tables, so 2 remains the same. 3 1s are 3. Now you can take 2. 1 1 1 1. 2 1s are 2. Now 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 2s are 36. Now let us consider 17 by 6. So first fraction is 17 by 6. 6 how many are 36 children? 6 6 are. So multiply numerator by 6. So 17 6 are again 102 by 36. Next second fraction is 7 by 18. 7 by 18. 18 how many are 36? 2s are. So 7 2s are 14. 18 2s are 36. 17 by 4. 4 how many are 36? 4 9s are 36. 17 9s are 153. If you multiply, if you don't know tables, you don't remember the tables, then multiply. 9 7s are 63. 6 carry. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 6 15. 153. 4 9s are 36. Next number is, next consider 10 by 9. That is 9 how many are 36? 9 4s are 36. 10 4s are 40. 9 fours are 36. Now we arrange these fractions in descending order. That is, descending order means bigger number to smaller number. So which is bigger? 153 by 36 is greater than 102 by 36, which is greater than 40 by 36, which is greater than 14 by 36, which means the actual fractions you have to write. So which means 153, what is the actual fraction of 153? That is 17 by 4 is greater than 102 means 17 by 6, which is greater than 40 by 36 is 10 by 9, which is greater than 14 by 36 is 7 by 18. You can stop here or you can write the actual fraction also, no problem children. So practice well. The concepts are more deeper. Day by day the concepts will move to the deeper form. So please practice the sums regularly. Keep learning, keep going.